evening, everyone, on this beautiful night in Benidorm. Crowd levels are getting insane right now. Over it is quite busy already, even on the streets, but further on, the more we get towards Old Town, you won't believe how many people are out here tonight. So I'm going ahead there. The reason why it is so busy over here is because of Festival de San Juan. It's a Spanish festival where they celebrate the start of the summer, the shortest night, which will be held on the 23rd of June. And at midnight there are going to be bonfires on the beach, and at midnight people are going to run into the sea and jump across 7 waves. It's a tradition, it's loads of fun, and I'll be joining them as well, as there is even a DJ back here then, or at least here in La Cala. That is where I'm going to celebrate it, all the way in Poniente, over there. Right now taking a nice walk along the Levante Beach over here this night. Loads of Spanish people came here because of the fact they have a long weekend making out of it. Loads of people from mainland Spain, like Madrid, Seville, they like to head here to make a great weekend out of it. A long weekend they have with family and friends, and celebrate it over here. Well, we still have this British area over here, the new town, where also plenty of Brits are. But the more we get towards Old Town, you will see the change of tourists from British towards Spanish. More Spanish prefer to stay near the Old Town, and that is where we're heading. Temperature tonight, it's a lovely 25 degrees still. And tomorrow will be even warmer. The day this video will be released, 32 is in the forecast, 32 degrees, so it will be hot out here. And I believe that trend is going to continue for the rest of the week as well. As you can see, plenty of people already. But the further we go, the busier it'll get. Also, the latest edition over here has opened already. Five Guys is open 7 days a week. You can get your burger fix over here on Levante Beach. If you like this video so far, please do give it a like then. It greatly promotes it by the YouTube algorithm then. And also do subscribe to the channel. As you can see, crowd levels are picking up the further we get towards Old Town. Bars are busy. Still some people are having dinner somewhere at some places. Most of it has turned towards drinking right now. And what is better than having a lovely cocktail over here under the palm trees at one of those bars? Some restaurants are starting to close, as we can see, but the bars are getting busier and busier. Right over here it's 25 degrees, but back there in those streets in Old Town it's even warmer. That is where the heat really keeps hanging over there. And it makes sure plenty of people escape towards the beach for a nice breeze that is out here right now. I even spot plenty of people still at the beach, taking a walk along the coastline or along the shoreline. All these people out here are in the line for an ice cream tonight. There's perfect weather for that as well, so don't blame them. Even over here the line is filling into the street just to get a simple cone of ice cream. Over here the Old Town starts, the area where it gets really busy. As you can see, loads and loads of people out here. Loads of people around here. I'm gonna explore the Old Town right now, see how busy it will get over there. At least I can tell you there are loads of people on the terraces over here. And it is very much noticeable that most of the tourists are from Spain right now. Check out these ice creams, how delicious they look. And it just continues along the way. From here on it slowly starts changing into shops instead of restaurants. And back further on you've got the option to go towards the shopping street on the right or the Gin Tonic Street on the left, where all those restaurants are. So we're gonna head there and see what the crowd level is like over there. So this is now where we've ended up. Street that leads towards Levante Beach. This is one of the first busy terraces we can see. Has to look out a bit, trying to avoid all those people, not bumping into them. Really loads are walking over here. So on the right we've got the shopping street. It's already past 11, so most are gonna close probably in an hour or so. I'm gonna take the left one. Most people call it Gin and Tonic Street or something like that. There are loads of bars over here. So let's wander through here. I'm heading up right now towards the viewing points, get a lovely view over there and a nice breeze as well, because back there in those streets it's really hot out, like 28 degrees, the heat really keeps in there. Can already feel that nice breeze out here now. And the view promises to be even amazinger. Beautiful, the side of Poniente we just saw. Let's head on and take a look on the Levante side. Or it's just that nice. Slowly on, the crowds are dying down, heading back home, or at least back to their holiday apartment or hotel. And that is also when I end this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.